Hello, my dear students. I'm Rehan, and today we are going to start our exercise 1.3 of chapter 1 set of class 11th math and CERT. So let's begin. Our first question is make correct statement by filling in the symbol this and this in the blank spaces. So first point is 2 comma 3 comma 4 first set, and the second set is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So clearly we can see here 2 comma 3 comma 4 first set is present in the second set. So this is a subset of second set. And second question, a comma b comma c, and second set is b comma c comma d. So we clearly see that second set does not contain all the element of set first, so this is not a proper subset. So next, first set is x is such that x is a student of class 11th of your school, and second is x is such that x is a student of your school means आपके स्कूल के सभी स्टूडेंट और फर्स्ट सेट में आपके क्लास 11 के स्टूडेंट. सो दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर सबसेट. आपका जो क्लास 11th है वो आपके स्कूल के अंडर ही में आता है. सो सेकेंड सेट फर्स्ट सेट को कंटेन करे हुए हैं. सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज फर्स्ट सेट एक्स इज सच डैट एक्स इज अ सर्कल इन द प्लेन. एक सर्कल बनाना है प्लेन पे. एंड सेकेंड सेट इज एक्स इज सच डैट एक्स इज अ सर्कल इन द सेम प्लेन विथ रेडियस 1 मीन्स रेडियस 1 के साथ हमें एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है प्लेन पे. सो दिस इज़ द सर्कल इन द प्लेन. ये तो कोई भी सर्कल किसी भी टाइप के रेडियस का होगा, और सेकेंड सेट में हमें 1 यूनिट रेडियस लेके चलना है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट द सबसेट. फर्स्ट सेट इज़ नॉट द सबसेट ऑफ सेकेंड सेट बिकॉज सेकेंड सेट डज नॉट कंटेन फर्स्ट सेट. Next question. First is x is such that x is a triangle in a plane, and second set is x is such that x is a rectangle in a plane. So both are different. Here we have to draw the triangle in a plane, and second is rectangle in a plane. So this is not a subset of each other. So next is first set x is such that x is an equilateral triangle in a plane, and second is x is such that x is a triangle in the same plane. So second set is for any types of triangle, and first set is for only for equilateral triangle. So second set contain the first set. So we write first set is a subset of second set, and second first set x is such that x is an even natural number, and second set is x is such that x is an integer. So we clearly see here integer contain all the even natural number. So we say first set is a subset of second set. Next question is एग्जामिन वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट और ट्रू और फॉल्स. हमें यहाँ पे ट्रू और फॉल्स लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेट फर्स्ट ए कॉमा बी डज नॉट अ सबसेट ऑफ सेट सेकेंड बी कॉमा सी कॉमा ए. सो नाउ चेक हियर ए कॉमा बी belongs to b comma c comma a. So this is false because second set contains set first, and second first set a comma e element है which is a subset of second set. x is such that x is a vowels in a English alphabet. So English alphabet में 5 vowels होते हैं a e i o u जिसमें a e contain हो रहा है. So second set first set को contain कर रहा है. So this is a true. And third question, first set 1 2 3 is a subset of second set 1 3 5. So we clearly see that second set does not contain all the element of set first, so this is false. And the fourth question is, set first contain a singleton which is a subset of second set a comma b comma c. And now we clearly see here that second set contain all the element of first set, so this is true. Now the fifth question, first set contain a element belongs to second set a comma b comma c. So we clearly see that first set a belongs to second set, first set elements belongs to second set element, so this is true. So sixth question is, x is such that x is an even natural number less than 6. so which are हमारा इवन नेचुरल नंबर होगा 0 2 4 और हमें इसको लेस देन 6 तक लिखना है. सो ये सबसेट है हमारे इस सेट का, तो हमारा 36 का डिविजिबल 0 2 4 और डैश 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 which is true, this contain. Our next question is third, let A be the set containing 1 2 3 4 5 element. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? हमें बताना है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है और क्यों. So first point is 3, 4 is a subset of A. So we'll clearly see here 3, 4 is not a set, it is an element of set A, so this is incorrect. And second is 3, 4 belongs to A, so this is correct because these are elements which are belongs to set A, so we write correct. Third question, 3, 4 is a subset of A. So here we see that 3, 4 is not a set, so this is incorrect. This is false for the definition of subset. And the fourth question, 1 belongs to A, so we clearly see that element 1 belongs to set A, so this is correct. And the fifth question is, 1 is a subset of A, so the same question is 1 is not a set, so this is not a subset of A, so it is incorrect. Now the sixth question is 1, 2, 5, which is an element not a set, so how this is a subset of A? So it is also incorrect. Now the seventh question is 1, 2, 5, which is element and these are belongs to A, and now 1, 2, 5 are element which is true, so this is correct. Now the eighth question is 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. Now this is the same question that 1, 2, 3 are not set, so this is false, incorrect. Now the ninth question is empty symbol belongs to A, so this symbol belongs to A, so A does not, so C in the set A which does not contain this symbol, so how this belongs to set A? So this is incorrect. Now the 10th question is this symbol is a subset of A, so we write empty set first for the subset, so this is correct. 11 question is empty set is a subset of A, so there's no any empty set which is a set, so how does it can be a subset of A? So this is incorrect. Now the next question is question number 4. Write down all the subset of the following set. यहाँ पे हमें इन सभी सेट के सभी सबसेट लिखने हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेट ए. सो इसके सबसेट होंगे एक तो एम्प्टी एंड सेकेंड सेट सिंगलटन सेट ए. सो हमारा एक सेट कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ द सेकेंड इज एम्प्टी सेट फर्स्ट and the second is singleton A and the third singleton B and the last both of them. So our second question is also completed. Now the third is first is empty, second is singleton 1, third is singleton 2, fourth is singleton 3. Now we take two elements 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 3 and the third is 3 elements 1 comma 2 comma 3. So our this set is also complete. Now the last one is empty set, so this will be like this. The fifth question is how many elements has power set A. मीन्स हमें बताना है पावर सेट A में कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे. इफ़ A is a empty set, so empty set there is cardinal number of A is 0. So our formula will be power set A, cardinal number of power set A is equal to 2 to the power 0. So the set will contain one element. Now the sixth question is write the following as an interval. So हमें set builder फॉर्म में set दिया हुआ है तो हमें इसको interval के फॉर्म में लिखना है. So x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than -4 and less than or equal to 6. So we write like this, round bracket -4 because this is a open interval and comma 6 and square bracket because this is a closed interval. Now the second question is x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than -12 and less than -10. So we write round bracket -12 comma 10 round bracket because all of them are in open interval. Now the third question is x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 7. So we write square bracket 0 comma 7 round bracket because x is greater than or equal to 0. So we write square bracket left side and write round bracket right side. So next question is fourth. X is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 4. So we write square bracket because it is also equal to. So 3 comma 4 and also square bracket on right side. So our question is finished. Now the next is write the following into set builder form. मीन्स ये इंटरवल दिए हैं, इनको हमें सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज -3, 0. सो इट विल बी x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than -3 and less than 0. So our set is complete. Now the next is x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 12. So our question is complete. Next, x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than 6 and less than or equal to 12. So next, -23, 5. So this will x is such that x belongs to real number where x is greater than or equal to -23 and less than 5. So our 7th question is completed. So the question number 8, what universal set would you propose for each of the following? So first point is the set of right triangle. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सल सेट सजेस्ट करना है इन क्वेश्चंस के लिए. सो सेट ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल, तो यहाँ पे हमारा यूनिवर्सल सेट बनेगा सेट ऑफ ऑल ट्रायंगल और the set of all polygon. So the set of isosceles triangle, the same set will be suggested here. Set of all triangle or the set of all polygon. So the next question is question number 9. Give the sets. A दिया है हमारा 1, 3, 5, B दिया है 2, 4, 6 and C दिया 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which of the following may be considered as a universal set? तो हमें दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से राइट ऑप्शन चूज़ करना है जो सेटिस्फाई करे इन सभी के यूनिवर्सल सेट से. तो हमारे पास गिवन है 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So first we check first point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 6 elements, but we need element 8, which is not present here, and so this is wrong. Now the second is empty, which is impossible because we need much elements but there's only one element, so this is wrong. Now the third is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's all the necessary elements which we need above. C 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7 यहाँ तो है नहीं, but this is a universal set, so it can contain 8, 8. So this set contains all the elements of A, B and C. So this is true. Now also check second. So we clearly see that there is no 0 element and we need 0 elements in C. So this is wrong. So our right answer is third. So our exercise is completed here.